Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect QuickBooks Online to your bank for tax-ready reports. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu. Click on Banking from the options presented. You will see a section labeled Link Account. Select Link Account to start the bank connection process. In the search bar, type the name of your bank. Once you find your bank, click on its name to select it. You will be prompted to enter your banking credentials. Provide your username and password for your online banking account. If your bank requires additional authentication, follow the on-screen prompts. After entering your details, click on Sign In to proceed. QuickBooks will connect to your bank and start importing your transactions. Once the connection is established, you'll see your bank account listed in QuickBooks. Review the transactions that have been imported for accuracy. You may need to categorize these transactions for proper reporting. Use the Categorize option to assign correct categories to your transactions. Make sure to reconcile your bank account regularly for accuracy. Check for any transactions that may need to be matched or reviewed. Utilize the For Review tab to manage any transactions that require your attention. Once everything is categorized, you can generate your tax-ready reports. Go to the Reports section in the left-hand menu. Select the type of report you need for tax preparation. Customize the report according to your specific needs. After customizing, click Run Report to view the results. Ensure all transactions are represented correctly in the report. You can now export this report in various formats if needed. Your bank connection is now fully set up, allowing for easy access to tax-ready reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.